everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I have got, what do I have here, 12 by 12? Can't remember what size I have. Yep, definitely, it's a 12 by 12 canvas with black acrylic on here. It's 50% black acrylic, which is the Sax Black, and 50% Floetrol mixed in. That's for my base. And I'm gonna do, I'm not really sure, I think I want to do a flower blowout, maybe a diagonal. We'll see. And I have a Lazy Susan under here because I'm not sure if I'm going to spin it or if I'm going to tilt it. So it's just kind of a let's see what we come up with kind of day. Now if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And everybody that keeps coming back and watching, thank you so much. It means the world to me. All the thumbs up, all the comments, keep them coming. I really do read them all. I try and comment on each and every one of them. So again, thank you everyone. Okay, now my mixture paints I have here are just little bits of Arteza and metallics. They're all 50% Floetrol and 50% the acrylic paint, and no silicone in any of these. I do have a little bit of white put aside here with 2 drops of silicone in it. It's also mixed with Floetrol as well. I might use that to get some cells happening. I'm not sure. Like I said, it's just going to be winging it. I've got my split open cup. It's got no bottom on it. So that's what I'm going to use to pour some of my paint in. But first we'll do show and tell. The painting I did, the spring flowers. That one I used the glitter, the extreme glitter. I'll show you the bottom. This is one of the turquoise ones. It's Folk Art Extreme Glitter. I really thought this stuff would show up, but it really doesn't. I'm really kind of disappointed. There is glitter in the background. You probably won't be able to see it very well, but it's minimal. There isn't very much showing at all. The background was swiped completely with white, and then the glitter, and then I did the flowers, and the glitter just didn't show up. So there's an example for you of something that didn't work. Flowers turned out beautiful though. And you know, Greg razzes me all the time that I have a paper towel quota because, you know, in the beginning of the pandemic, people were hoarding and you couldn't buy paper towel and stuff like that. So he started teasing me. Well, I fixed his wagon today. I grabbed a whole bunch of his tank tops and t-shirts and cut them up. So now I have rags. You're welcome, hon. Okay. Now let's do this painting. Where do I want to start? I'm going to start right about here. Where do I want my color lines? This way. Yeah, I'm going to do it right about there. Okay. Now I'm just going to get rid of some of these colors that I have in these little tubs and just pour it in a couple of different slats here. Probably not a very good view of the back of the cup. Sorry about that. Okay, now I'm going to put some phthalo green in here as well. Now this is Arteza's phthalo green. I'm going to put it in all 3 spots here. Now I did have a little bit of a bigger flood happening here where I put this cup. Not a huge difference, but just a little bit of extra black paint there. Hopefully it'll help flow some of this paint. Let's do some fuchsia. And my Bordeaux red, which is one of my favorite colors. Let's get rid of this gold. Use it up. I got some more put aside here, so I'm just going to add to it right in here. And then I'm going to put some metallic silver in. And let's add some rose madder in there by Ateza. I'm going to lift my cup a little bit. Get some of that color out. Okay. Now this one is the liquid metal. I think it's just called green, with a little bit of pearlescence mixed in there to lighten it up a little bit. And this one is the rose gold. Not very much left here. Okay. Gonna give it a little tilt again. Okay, haven't put some purple in yet. Let's do that. And the Deco Arts metallic pearl. Okay, and I'm going to go back to some fuchsia. I think I'm going to use some more of the red Bordeaux in there. Okay, I'm going to stop there for a minute and just see how we're doing for colors. Very pretty. Okay, I think I'm just going to lift it right up and put it aside there. There we go. So now I got to decide if I want to wreck this first or not. I don't think I'm going to. I think I'm just going to give it a spin, maybe a tilt first, just to get some of that color over to the end here. Oh, look how pretty that is. Gorgeous. Okay, let's give it a little torch. Okay, now let's give it a spin and see what it does. I didn't even put any of that white in there. Let's see. Got some nice cells popping up for sure. Oh, that's gorgeous. Okay. I'm going to give it one little bit. Yeah, I'm going to do one more spin the opposite way. I have a corner here and a corner here to cover. Let's see if that helps. Sorry if I'm making you guys dizzy. It's just about done here. There we go. Look at those wonderful cells coming up. Beautiful. Now I'm thinking I want to wreck it a little bit. I know you guys are probably looking going, don't wreck it. Walk away, Sandy. Okay, let's give it a little torch. You know, I just realized I did that whole painting without putting my glasses on my eyes. Beautiful. Love all the colors that came out on that. Okay, I'm going to lift it. I'm just going to tilt this way a little bit. Stretch some of those cells. I know some people don't like to stretch their cells. I personally like it when they stretch and get a little personality to them. I wanted to take off some of that red on the corner. You know what? I'm not going to wreck it, you guys. I like how this turned out. I'm going to leave it as is. I'll just hold it up for you quickly. There we go. Beautiful little abstract done with mixture of colors I was trying to use up for my container. The gold's going to pop really nice in there, as well as the pearl. I do have a temptation to do a swipe though, right through here. I'm going to, you guys. I'm going to put a little bit of white down on my table here. Grab my swiper, which I think I'm going to use my little piece of plastic, small little rounded plastic. And just give it a little swipe through here. Yep. Let me give it a little torch. I think it needs one more swipe right through there, and then we're calling it done. There we go. Perfect. Just a little bit of a swipe added. All right, everybody, that was a quick video. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you stick around and click the video that's coming up right now, because guaranteed Greg will be adding one in there. Click on that, stick around and watch another video. Thanks again, everyone.